Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm here for another video. It's Vlogmas Day 10 and I'm doing a holiday makeup review for you guys. So I start off with my usual NYX eyeshadow primer. I put that on the base of my lids. I've talked about this several times. I have hooded lids, so the best way to find my crease is to feel for the bone because I know where it is. I don't have to feel for it anymore. So I put the eyeshadow paste over the majority of my lids and upper lid, and I try to figure out what I would put, what colors I would put on my crease. So I'm going in with my Morphe palette, and what you do is you pick a color very similar to your complexion. And so I picked up a sienna color, so it's brown but it has a little red base in it. And I do windshield wiper motions on my crease, and I make sure it's all exactly where I need it to be. And so now I have just the hooded part of my lid left. And I use the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette to put like a nude kind of neutral on my eyelids. Sometimes it's easier to go with a natural look when you're doing holiday looks, and you can just go crazy with just like the different colors that you can put with your eyeliner or your lipstick, but for the most part you want to keep it pretty simple if you're going to do something a little bit different. And then wait to go crazy with maybe your lashes or your lipstick or just other accessories if you want to use glitter. But I used a peachy nude color for the lid, and I am just blending it out, blending that color out on my lids and putting it on as high as I need it to be. Now I go back with my Morphe palette just to clean it up, and so I'm going back with the same color I used on my crease, and I am cleaning up, well, fixing my hair first, but cleaning up the what I did with the eyelids, and I'm bringing that color a little bit more down, but it's also making it more neat and precise. So I am back with my lashes on, and I did my brows off camera. I meant to say that. Sometimes it's easier to do it off camera, and I'm showing you guys what I'm working with. At this point I hadn't decided what I wanted to do yet, but I know I wanted to do something a little bit more different. So at this moment I am putting my highlight on, and but first I am putting my primer. And whenever I do the highlight, it always like wakes you up. It makes you look awake and it brightens your eyes. And so I am using my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Cameroon. And that color is very subtly lighter than my complexion, but it also blends as well. And so I am like sweeping that around, making like a U/V shape around under my eyelids. And like I said, it brightens your eyes. And yeah, so with every makeup look I pretty much do about the same thing. I pretty much go for the same type of look. This is called like a glam look, but for the most part that's what I do. As you can see, I'm like wiping off the sweat off my the bridge of my nose. I sweat a lot, guys. I don't know who else has that problem, but I am like always sweaty. And so I finally decided that I was just gonna put like a blue liner over the black liner that I have, and this is like a turquoise blue, and that's gonna be the look, because I'm wearing all white and I wanted to do a little pop, but I didn't want to wear red lips, and so I decided I would go with the blue liner. And I'm just fixing my my lashes at this moment. And liners are kind of hard, especially these liquid liners, but if you put them on top of the black liner, you should be fine. And so I'm now doing the other eye, and I came back on camera with it. I did a little bit of color under my under eye, put a little shadow under my under eye, and now I'm going with my foundation. This is actually a BB cream, and I mixed that with another foundation. The BB cream gives me the moisture I'm looking for, and of course I'm using this foundation that I love so much. I've mentioned it so many times in my video. I'll definitely have it linked under, but I am using my stippling brush to apply my foundation, and as you can see, I usually like my foundations a little bit more on the redder side, and I feel like it just wakes me up. You know, sometimes a foundation can look very gray or have a gray cast, and I think I can avoid that when I pick a redder tone and just tone down the reds with my foundation powder. So now I'm with my MAC foundation in W55, and I'm going over my highlight as well as my foundation, and that mutes, you know, the redness along with the harsh lines of the highlight. So as you can see, it's already starting to blend in, and I already like it, and I'm not done. And again, I'm very simple. I don't do crazy eyeshadow looks. This is like the craziest thing well, maybe not the craziest, but this is probably the most dramatic that I'll go. I'll do a color and keep it simple. I am now putting a bronzer. This is by Queen Latifah bronzer. It's like the darkest shade, but it gives the right kind of shine, and I'm blending that out with my foundation brush, and I am putting my lip gloss. This is the Fenty lip balm, the first one that ever came out. This is like the most simplest look, but it gives it all that it needs to give. When you go crazy on your eyes, you want to chill on your lips, and if you go crazy on your lips, you want to chill on the eyes. You don't want to do anything too crazy. And at this moment, I'm just giving you guys a look of what I came up with, and because I'm going to wear all white, my eyes are going to pop even more. I'm just giving you guys a viewpoint of what I have going on, and as you can see, I love my look. It's very simple, but yet it gives me exactly what I want it to give, and I like it a lot. I came back with better lighting just to show you guys what I'm working with. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back tomorrow with another video, and hope you like this look.